This is your ultimate guide to the best winter cars for 2025. Not every car is built for harsh winter. Some truly stand out when the snow piles up and roads get icy. The right vehicle means safer, more confident winter driving. Today we'll break down the top picks in SUVs, sedans, trucks, and even budget-friendly and fun options. We'll show you which features matter most, like all-wheel drive, ground clearance, and most importantly, winter tires. From family haulers to luxury sedans, rugged trucks to affordable commuters, we've got you covered. And at the end, I'll share pro tips that could make all the difference in your winter driving experience. Let's get started. Kicking off with SUVs, the Subaru Ascent is a winter standout. Its symmetrical all-wheel drive is always on, giving you stable, predictable traction on slick roads. With 8.7 inches of ground clearance, it handles unplowed streets and snowbanks with ease. The Ascent's 3-row interior is perfect for families, gear, and winter adventures. Subaru's EyeSight driver assist tech adds an extra layer of safety when conditions get unpredictable. But remember, winter tires are essential to unlock its full potential. All-season tires just don't cut it on ice and packed snow. For families in snowy regions, the Ascent is practical, safe, and confidence-inspiring. It's not flashy, but it's one of the best winter family vehicles you can buy. Dependable, capable, and ready for whatever winter throws your way. Next, the Subaru Outback, a winter legend. Standard all-wheel drive and 8.7 inches of clearance make it a snow champ, but in a more maneuverable, wagon-like package. The Outback Wilderness trim ups the ante with 9.5 inches of clearance and all-terrain tires, perfect for deeper snow and off-the-beaten-path adventures. Its long roof is ideal for ski racks, and the interior is built for wet boots and winter gear. Comfortable, safe, and tech-filled, the Outback is as happy on a snowy mountain pass as it is on your daily commute. For couples or small families, it's a do-it-all winter vehicle that's easy to park and efficient to run. The Wilderness trim especially is a confidence booster in tough conditions. The Outback remains a benchmark for all-weather performance. The Honda Pilot is a family SUV with serious winter chops. Its iVTM4 torque-vectoring all-wheel drive gives you agility and stability, even on icy roads. The smooth V6 engine delivers predictable power, no turbo surprises, just steady traction. Inside, it's huge, 3 rows, tons of cargo space, and comfort for everyone. The Trail Sport trim adds more clearance and all-terrain tires for deeper snow. If you need space, comfort, and a smart AWD system, the Pilot is a top pick for snowy commutes and family trips. It's robust, secure, and built for the long, cold winter. For Northeast families, it's a reliable winter workhorse. Peace of mind, mile after snowy mile. For extreme snow, nothing beats the Chevrolet Tahoe. Built on a truck chassis, it's strong, durable, and has a true 4-wheel drive system with low range for the worst conditions. The Tahoe's weight and ground clearance let it power through deep drifts and unplowed roads. The Z71 package adds even more clearance, skid plates, and aggressive tires. But don't forget, even the Tahoe needs proper winter tires for safe stopping and turning on ice. It's big, thirsty, and not for everyone. But if you need to tow, haul, or conquer rural snow, it's unmatched. The Tahoe is a fortress on wheels for the harshest winters. With winter tires, it's nearly unstoppable. For those who face feet of snow, it's the ultimate tool. Just be ready for its size and appetite for fuel. Enter the Audi A6, luxury meets winter mastery. Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive is legendary for its seamless, proactive grip on slippery roads. The A6 feels planted and composed, turning winter commutes into calm, comfortable journeys. Heated seats, steering wheel, and multi-zone climate control make cold mornings a pleasure. The ride is smooth and quiet, isolating you from winter's harshness. With winter tires, the A6 is a stealthy snow weapon for city and highway driving. For those who want all-weather security without sacrificing luxury or style, the A6 is a top choice. Sophisticated, safe, and surprisingly fun in the snow. The Genesis G90 is winter luxury redefined. Its all-wheel drive system works quietly to keep you secure, while the silky V6 delivers effortless power. The cabin is a sanctuary, ultra-quiet with adaptive suspension that smooths out frozen roads, heated and ventilated seats, a heated wheel, and even mood settings turn winter drives into spa-like experiences. The G90 is for those who want to glide through winter in total comfort. It's a statement car for executives and anyone who values serenity on the road. With winter tires, it's as capable as it is luxurious. For pure comfort, nothing beats the G90 in winter. The Mazda 3 AWD is the hidden gem of winter driving. Compact, stylish, and now with all-wheel drive, it's perfect for those who want fun and security in one package. The iActive AWD system and responsive engine make it nimble and predictable on snowy roads. With winter tires, it's playful and engaging, proof that winter driving can be fun. The interior feels premium, and it's efficient to run, ideal for singles or couples in moderate snow regions. The Mazda 3 AWD is affordable, practical, and a joy to drive all year. Don't overlook this compact contender. The Ram 1500 Bighorn North Edition is winter-ready from the factory. It's got a true 4x4 system with low range, an electronic locking rear differential, and snow-rated all-terrain tires. Heated seats, heated wheel, and remote start make cold mornings easy. Tow hooks and rugged features mean you're ready to help others, or yourself, out of a ditch. It's comfortable for daily driving, but tough enough for blizzards. Ram's North Edition is a smart, well-equipped choice for snowbelt living. It's not just big. It's built for real winter. For those who need a truck that's ready for anything, this is it. The Toyota Tacoma is the go-to for winter adventurers. Rugged, reliable, and built for abuse, it's perfect for backcountry snow and off-road trails. The TRD Off-Road and Pro models add ground clearance, locking differentials, and crawl control for extreme conditions. It's nimble for a truck, fitting where bigger rigs can't. On-road comfort is sacrificed for off-road prowess, but its 4WD system is bulletproof. Winter tires are a must for icy roads. For skiers, ice fishers, and explorers, the Tacoma is a trusted companion. It's not plush, but it's unstoppable in the wild. The Subaru Crosstrek is the budget winter hero. Standard all-wheel drive and 8.7 inches of clearance in a compact, affordable package. It's efficient, practical, and handles snow like a champ. The interior is tough and simple with enough cargo space for daily life. Perfect for students, young professionals, or anyone needing reliable winter transport without breaking the bank. The Crosstrek isn't flashy, but it's safe, dependable, and easy to recommend. For light to moderate snow, it's all the car most people need. Smart, sensible, and winter-ready. The Volkswagen Golf GTI is the surprise winter fun pick. Front-wheel drive, but with a limited slip differential and great chassis, it's a blast on plowed, snowy roads. With winter tires, it's shockingly capable and engaging, turning commutes into driving adventures. The GTI's hatchback practicality means you can still haul skis or gear. Not for deep snow, but perfect for enthusiasts in cities or suburbs. It's about enjoying winter, not just surviving it. For drivers who want smiles with their snow, the GTI delivers. Winter tires are a must, then let the fun begin. Here's what really matters for winter driving. First, winter tires are non-negotiable. They transform any car's grip and safety on snow and ice. All-season tires harden in the cold. Winter tires stay soft and bite into slippery surfaces. Ground clearance keeps you moving in deep snow. Low cars get stuck. High ones keep rolling. AWD versus 4WD. AWD, like Subaru or Audi, is always on, perfect for slippery roads and daily driving. 4WD, like Tacoma or Tahoe, is for extreme conditions, off-road, deep snow, and includes low-range gears. Don't use part-time 4WD on dry pavement. Choose AWD for all-weather security, 4WD for the toughest jobs. Neither is better. Pick what fits your winter reality. Recap: winter tires are essential, clearance keeps you moving, and the right drivetrain makes all the difference. Master these, and you'll master winter. Safety starts with the right choices. That's your guide to the best winter cars for 2025. From SUVs and trucks to sedans and budget picks, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. Match your car to your needs, budget, terrain, passengers, and gear. Don't just buy the biggest truck, buy what fits your life. There are great used and electric options too. Let me know if you want a deep dive on those. Your feedback shapes what we cover next. Thanks for watching, drive safe, and don't forget those winter tires. See you on the snowy roads.